BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla has lashed out at Shankar Mishra. He says that a pervert is making bizarre claims now, which only goes on to show his unbelievable shamelessness in this case. Says this is literally the pits to which this man could have gone in order to save himself. Priyank, coming back to you. Now, in cases like these, there are only two lines of defense. One, that the crime did not happen, and second, that crime may or may not have happened, but I am not aware of it. Now, how successful could this particular thing be when it comes to Shankar Mishra's legal defense, where he says that I did nothing, it was the victim who peed on herself, despite all the evidence that suggests to the contrary?
See, Priya, if we talk about the legality, then certainly there is no ground with the accused to prove and no evidence with him so that he can prove the point before the court. There are two important factors in this case, Priya. One is the testimony of the key eyewitness who spoke to Times Now, where he said that he saw this bizarre thing happening right in front of his eyes. And the second most important thing is the CRPC 164 statement, which has been recorded by the victim's side. The third thing would be the statement of the crew members, which has also suggested that yes, there was something wrong which was done from Mishra's side, and later to that he started apologizing and all these deals happened. So these are the three important factors which will be most important thing in due course of investigation. The accused and his counsel is certainly trying to give it a new turn just to save his skin and try to portray the victim in the wrong position. But the fact of the matter is that the court will certainly look into the evidence. That is the due course of thing, Priya, which will come up in the course of a trial, which is expected to happen once the charge sheet is being filed. But this is a very preliminary stage of investigation where the police had asked for the police remand. It is very much possible that the accused counsel will not argue the same pointers when the trial in this particular case will begin. So these kind of tactics which have been used by the criminal lawyers time and again to defame the victim, to put the onus on the victim, has been seen over the period of years, and that is a part of the law research scholars who have also pointed out about these kind of fresh twists which is allegedly being given by the accused side. But if you look at the sequence of incident, if you look at the conduct of the accused, if you look at the manner in which he ran away from his house, if you look at how he switched off his mobile phone when the team had gone to arrest him, if you look at how Delhi police managed to arrest him and he was supposed to file for an anticipatory bail, everything goes against the accused. The police need to interrogate him. If the police manages to get 3 days of police remand, certainly his side is certainly trying to put the onus on the victim, which is certainly yet to be proven, which can be proven by the medical expert, whether she had some history, whether there was something wrong which happened, which was spotted by other crew members and co-passengers in the seat, why the accused paid money to her, if the victim herself had urinated. Okay. So these are the basic factors which will certainly come in the due course of time. So far, what it appears to me that this was a claim which has come up from the accused side to give and portray a picture that the accused was never wrong on his position.
Right, and